Hello everyone, my name is Anaïs Boukeloen and I represent the Engineering Institute IMT Mines Albi. I'm very happy to be connected with you and I hope it will be interesting for you. If you have any question, don't hesitate to ask. First of all, I would like to give you more information about where we are located. IMT Mines Albi, as we can hear it in its name, is located in the city of Albi. Albi is located in the southwest of France, very near the city of Toulouse. Maybe you heard already about Toulouse. So we are very near the Mediterranean Sea, but also the Atlantic Ocean, also very near the Pyrenean Mountains. So it is very easy for our students to go skiing, for example, during winter. Albi is not a big city. We have only 50,000 inhabitants, so not a big city, but this is actually the main city, the capital city of the département, the small region of the Tarn. So it means that this is in Albi where a lot of cultural sport activities are organized. You can see on these pictures the big cathedral that we have in the center of Albi. And you can see as well a photo of a big music festival that we organize every year in the months of July, and that welcomes a lot of French and international artists. Albi is also, the historic center of Albi is also among the UNESCO World Heritage. So it means that we welcome a lot of tourists all year long. So this is really a fantastic city, and I would say an ideal place for your studies. Now regarding the institution, IMT Mines Albi, as a graduate school of engineering, it is what we call in French a grande école d'ingénieurs. If you are not well familiar with the French system of higher education, in French, of course, you have universities, big universities, and you have also what we call the grande école d'ingénieurs or business. So we are Grande École d'Ingénieurs, a graduate school of engineering. One of the difference with the universities is that we are more selective than universities. We are also very prestigious, and we are much smaller than universities. For example, here in IMT Mines Albi, we have only 1,000 students, and this is actually fine for us. We don't want to be bigger, so we are quite a small institution. We are, as I told you, an institution with 1,000 students, and I will just go back to the other slide because maybe you saw that there is a logo also of the IMT, the Institut Mines Télécom, which is the leading group for engineering studies in France. So there are different IMT schools all around France. Ours is located in Albi. And we are also a member of the Toulouse University, which is a consortium of universities, Grande École research centers, etc., in the region of Toulouse, in the southwest of France. So 1,000 students in IMT Mines Albi, around 20% of them are international students coming from all over the world. For example, many coming from Europe, but also coming from India, from some countries of Latin America or some countries of Africa. We are an engineering school, so it means that research is very important for us. We have 3 research departments that focus on our 4 expertise fields, which are materials and processes for aeronautics and space, biohealth and powder engineering, biomass engineering and renewable energy, and organization dynamics, or better said, industrial engineering. These 4 expertise fields are also the ones on which we focus for our programs. So regarding education, we have, of course, among the programs that we offer, we have, of course, the engineering diploma, the engineering degree, the traditional one, which is in French. I will give you a few words about it just later. Of course, we also have international master degrees taught either in French or in English. And of course, we have PhD programs. Regarding the engineering degree that we offer and which is taught in French, this is a non-specialized program. It means that this is a generalist degree. We ask students, international students, to hold a first degree before coming for the engineering degree in IMT Mines Albi. So I'm not well familiar with the system of higher education in Kosovo, but if you have already a first degree in 3 years, you will come for the engineering degree for 3 years. If you have a bachelor degree in 4 years, you will join us for 2 years only. So a non-specialized degree, but in the last year, we will ask you to choose a major among the following fields. So eco-activity and energy, biohealth engineering, advanced materials and structures, or in the field of industrial engineering, processes and information system. All our programs are very industry-oriented. So you will have a compulsory internship for each year of your studies. And maybe you know already that if you do your internship in France, if you choose to do it in French, which is not compulsory, you will be paid by the company with the minimum amount that you will receive per month of 550 euros, but it can be much more depending on the company. Another program is the Advanced Master AMPAS, which stands for Advanced Manufacturing Processes for Aeronautical Structures. This is a program taught in English. And it is in partnership with another school, which is called ISAE Supaero. It is actually the leading school for aerospace studies in Europe, and it is located in Toulouse, in the southwest of France, Toulouse being the European capital for aerospace engineering. So this Advanced Master AMPAS is a one-year program. So 1 semester of classes and 1 semester of internship. And it focuses on the manufacturing aspects of the aerospace industry. Again, this is really industry-oriented. It means that you will have a lot of company and industrial sites visit. For example, you will go to Airbus. Airbus is located in the city of Toulouse. And you will also have a lot of classes taught by professionals from the aerospace industry. And some of the career opportunities you can see on that slide, such as manufacturing engineer, supply chain engineer, etc. You can see as well a photo of some of our graduate students who just had the graduation ceremony last week. So I put the photo on this slide. If you are interested by this program, I invite you to our information session that will take place next Tuesday, December 14 at 1:30 p.m. And with the head of this master program, we will give you a lot of information on the content of the program, the application process, and there will be as well a testimony of an alumni from this program coming from Greece. So don't hesitate to register. Of course, it's free, and we will give you all the information on this program. Another program taught in English is the Master Science Scale, which stands for Supply Chain and Lean Management. It is a 16-month program, a 3-semester program, in partnership with another school, once again, with Toulouse Business School, which is a business school, as you can hear. And so this is a program that focuses on supply chain, on project management, on supply chain, on lean management, sorry. And what is interesting in this program is that it gives you the registration and the preparation to 4 certifications in the field of supply chain and lean management, such as the one of the Greenbelt one. Maybe you're familiar with it. Another program here taught in French is the Advanced Master BE Plus for Bâtiment à énergie positive, or Energy Plus Building. This is a one-year program, 1 semester of classes, 1 semester of internship in energy management in the field of construction and renovation. So it really deals on how to deal with the energy management on that specific field of construction and renovation. It is taught in French, so it means that you should have the B2 level in French to apply to this program. For the other programs taught in English that I introduced you, you really don't need to speak French. Of course, it will be easier for you if you can speak a little bit of French at your arrival for your everyday life, but this is not a requirement. But another possibility is to join us for the French summer school. This is a 1 month program during summer, during August, actually, to learn French and to participate to some tourism and cultural activities in the Occitanie region, which is the southwest of France. So you can join us before beginning your master program, for example, or just for 1 month for the French summer school. This is almost the end of my presentation. I just would like to give you a few words on how we welcome international students here in IMT Mines Albi, and to tell you that this is very priority to welcome you the best way possible. Some of our students leave their country for the first time, and their family as well. We know that it can be a big adventure. I know what I'm talking about because I experienced it myself. So we really do our best to welcome you the best way possible. So what we do, the first thing is that we book an accommodation for all our students. If you join us at IMT Mines Albi, you don't have to look by yourself for an accommodation, because we have accommodation on campus, but also in the city center of Albi. So when you arrive, we will ask you to arrive at Toulouse International Airport. We will go to pick you up at the airport and we will drive you to your accommodation. And we will help you with all the administrative process of arrival in France. For example, we will help you to open a French bank account. We will also help you to register to some insurances. Also to apply to the financial assistance of the French government, which is called CAF. This is an allowance that you will get every month to help you pay your accommodation. And we will offer you a visit of the city of Albi during your first days. So all these welcome package allowed us to obtain the Bienvenue en France certification, which is a guarantee of high level of welcoming international students in our institution. So this is the end of my presentation. Don't hesitate to ask your questions and to contact me at study@min-albi.fr. And so now I'm here to answer all your questions.